What do you know about sexual assault and violence?
Do you know that 1 in 5 women
and 1 in 16 men will experience sexual assault in college?
Or that 21% of college students
report dating violence with their current partner.
At Monmouth, we foster respect, honesty, and healthy relationships.
We also care about one another.
If someone says no, they mean no.
Only a yes means yes.
A maybe or no answer at all is not consent.
And you need consent for sex.
Being drunk is not an excuse for bad behavior.
When you're drunk, you may not be able to get or give consent.
Scots look out for one another.
We make sure our friends are safe and make safe choices.
We care and we listen. We have resources for survivors of assault, dating violence, and stalking, and it's easy to get help.
You can go to the Title IX coordinator in Poling Hall.
You can also go to any employee on campus. They care, so they report.
If you need a confidential advisor, we have 4 of them on campus.
They do not have to report you to the Title IX office, but they can get you the resources that you need.
At Monmouth, we treat each other with respect.
That means we call out offensive behavior such as catcalling or verbal harassment.
We don't discriminate.
And we should do something about it when we see it or hear it.
Monmouth is a family.
We instill values of kindness and respect.
If you need someone, reach out.
Because it's on us. It's on all of us to make Monmouth College a better place, one that is safe for all students.
As president of the student body at Monmouth College, I give my full support to ending violence and harassment. At Monmouth, our student population is comprised of survivors and supporters to stand and walk as one. At Monmouth, it is truly on us to change the culture, to not only raise awareness that sexual assault and harassment occur, but to prevent it, to be accountable, and to listen to our survivors. We are the future, and it's on us.